today's topic is how to earn money from your past experience. Basically, I thought to develop an application. I'll going to make an API where I'll do an API call and I'll give some input in that API like suppose
भूल गया मैं इनपुट
कोई भी अगर इनिशियल्स मैं देता हूँ EX EXAM तो उससे जितना भी मैं इनपुट दिया था जितना भी स्टोर होगा डेटाबेस में तो सभी फेच हो जाएगा
फिर से भूल रहा हूँ
बेसिकली लाइक
रजनी
आई
साला
यूज फ्लास्क एंड रेडिस मॉड्यूल इन पाइथन you guys know Redis, right? No?
dumb people. So as I also don't know about Redis, fuck. So I searched in Google and found that it is a key value data store. Basically in Python, we call it as a dictionary. Redis is very fast and it is easy. So what makes this fast and easy is that Redis sorted sets data type. This type is simply a non-repeating collection of strings with a score associated with each one. So this is basically the result what you are seeing in the page now. Let's start the code. Oh, this is me again. I'm doing something I don't know, but still. Now here is my code. I am doing like I have created all the JSON file and stored as a dictionary of all key and value in Python. This is day 2 and I want to tell you another thing that if there are no repeating prefixes then the algorithm will create like number of items into average length of each item plus 1 multiplied by average length of each item divided by 2. Here I finish the code. Here I come again and this is day 3 and still my code didn't run and I am completely fucked up. तो पता नहीं ये बहुत टाइम लग गया एक्चुअली. Another thing I want to tell you that here I have used ZRANGE command, which is basically more than one string has the same score, then the set is ordered lexicographically because the set is always yes, yeah, it's done now. By the way, I have completed the code and it is in the GitHub and the GitHub link is in the description. And also I didn't earn anything. from this API development.